lighting show happens from 7 to 7:30. We were passing by in our taxi when we saw it, so we thought we definitely need to come and watch it. But unfortunately, by the time that we came here, the lighting show had ended. So if you don't want to miss it like us, you better come at 7 to 7:30 in winters. Till this barricade, you will not need any ticket. There's a viewing deck over there where you can get a panoramic view of the madrasa and the two mosques. But to go further ahead of the barricade, you will need a ticket, and possibly we will be buying our ticket tomorrow.
Hey guys! Right now we're here at Amir Temur Mausoleum and we've bought our tickets to head inside and look at this beautiful place. We're on a guided tour right now with Ozod Beg, and he is going to be showing us around throughout the city.
This area, people, they live it very ancient.
I love you, India.
Hey guys! Right now we've reached Eternal City and we've had quite an interesting taxi ride since our driver loved Hindi music. So over here they've tried to replicate the Silk Route of Uzbekistan. Now let's go inside and see what we can trade today. Hey guys!
Right now we're here at Konigil Village silk factory to see how the silk paper is made traditionally.
Non separate this